Today, I'm going to show you how to install Awesome Window Manager and how to configure it. So let's get started. You need a desktop or a display manager. So do sudo pacman -s for me, and it's just the awesome package idm-gtk-reader xorg-server. We're gonna need a terminal, so I like Kitty. And we need a browser, so Firefox installed. I'll just clear. I need to set my I need to make LightDM start automatically. So systemctl enable LightDM. So now, okay, so now I'm just gonna reboot. I forgot to remove the Linux ISO. Okay, so just sign in, and now we're into Awesome Window Manager. So first thing, we need to do Windows key and R, and then we're gonna type the name of the terminal emulator. So I did Kitty. So right now it's a floating window manager. So I'll just turn it into timeline by clicking that. So now I'm going to copy the /etc/xdg, then awesome oc.lua. So the main configuration file, this is the default one, and we'll copy it to home directory. Sorry, I'm gonna copy it to the home directory and then .config, then awesome oc. Config awesome. Then run the previous one. Okay, so now now I'm going to cd into there, so .config awesome. And now I'll vim into oc.lua file. Now in here, the first thing, so this is a main configuration for Awesome Window Manager. So first, change your terminal, and we'll just change it to Kitty. Kitty. I'll change my editor to them. So now here's where you select your the layout for how you want your windows to be laid out. So we're gonna comment the ones that you don't want to use. So pretty much all of them but the main one. So in for Lua, comments are just two dashes. So I'll just go over and do that. What one I liked. So I'll just save that. Now just go past all that. So now we're in here. We should probably I don't like, so if you press the Windows key and S, it'll show the help thing. The main thing that I don't like is the close shortcut. I prefer Super Q. So I can see here that the name for it is just close. So I'll just search for that in here. Okay, so now it'll bring me here. So I'll just go up, and here is the thing. So I'll just remove Shift and add and change that to Q. So now that should work. And to reload the config in Awesome, it's Windows Control R, I think. Yeah. So now you can see my layout worked, and my color shortcut did too. And it also changed the default thing. So now we need some. So now I want to add some transparency to everything to make it look cooler. And most rices you'll see have gaps in them. So I'm just gonna, just go to the bottom of the file. Then I'll just name this auto start. Okay, so now in here we're gonna do awful.spawn.with_shell. And then right now there isn't anything that I actually want to spawn. I'll want to spawn PyCom later. But right now I'm just gonna add the gaps. So it's just beautiful.useless underscore gap, I think, and then equals I'll do 10. Then quit. Okay, yeah. So now we have gaps. So now I want to install a compositor like PyCom. So do sudo command -s PyCom. We can actually add that line. So awful.spawn.with_shell, and then we'll do brackets and then the name of the program in quotes. So mine is just PyCom. So we also, I'm gonna set my time zone here too. So if you wanna set your time zone, so this is how you set your time zone. So we're gonna do awful.spawn with _shell again. And then in here we're gonna put all the commands to change your time zone. So it's time, date, CTL, set -ntp group, and then we're gonna do another line. Ooh, never mind. We can actually just go in here. Oh, and make this one with single quotes. Because we're gonna have to put a quote inside of the function. So we're gonna do that command, and then and then time, date, CTL, set -time zone, and then in quotes we're gonna put our time zone. So for me it's America /Denver. So like that. So if you have a clock, that's how you'd set it. So now I'm also going to So now I'm just gonna change my resolution. So it's xrender-L it's just X-render to list your displays and stuff. So like you see, my one display is called virtual one. So we'll just do X-render dash output, and then name virtual dash one. Now set it. And then dash make size. I forgot all the commands. So it's I am mode. So dash mode 1920 x 1080. Okay, so now we're running 1080p. So I'll just copy this command too, and I'll throw this into my let's see how it looks. So we'll go down to the bottom and so now we set that. So now let's try running this again. And let's open another thing. And I don't know if Icom's running. No supported vsync method. In my config file, I don't know if this is like actually the best way of doing this, but how I did it was I just did sudo pycom and then added so sudo pycom dash experimental backends. So see if this works. Okay, it does. So now we have some transparency. So now I want to have a cooler background. So I use nitrogen for that because it's easy. So sudo pacman -s nitrogen. So now, again, I'll do Windows R for the run dialog. And then I use Brave. Then I did Brave browser. So I'll just run Brave. That first time. Okay, so now we have Brave. So now I'll just find some wallpapers. So then I'll run nitrogen. So this isn't the best thing to do, but I'm just gonna add it to my downloads directory. Okay, so now I have the Kobe background. So, and that works. I'm going, I want to configure Kitty, so it's vim.config/kitty. Oh yeah. We got cd home, then vim.config kitty. Then it's, sorry, I forgot the okay, it's just kitty.com. So now in here, I'm going to change my background opacity. So just background background underscore opacity. And then we're gonna do 0 dot, I'll say 3. Then okay, it's really transparent. So I don't like the default thing for I don't like Bash too much, so I'll download ZSH. So ZSH. Okay. So then I'm going to install Yay. Oh, it's not Yay, my ZSH theme. So I like power level 10K. So it's ZSH-theme power level 10K get. Okay, so let it. So install it, just download all of these. Okay, so now once you've installed all of those, I'll just open another terminal. We're gonna sudo mkdir/user/share/fonts and then /ttf. So we're gonna cd into our downloads folder, and then actually cd dot. We're gonna copy everything from, and then everything that's .ttf to /user share fonts ttf. Forgot to. Okay, so now that that's copied, we are able to vim into the .config kitty.conf. Yeah, and in here I'm gonna add we have to specify that we use this font. So we have to do font underscore family, and then Meslo LGS NF. Then I also need to specify that we're using ZSH, so shell /bin/ZSH. And then we need to also set a cursor shape. I just like it, I don't like the default. So cursor shape bean. Okay, so that should be good. Now, let's say we launch Kitty. Should. Oh yeah, should. Oh yeah. I forgot to do echo. So we just have to echo. We run this command. It basically just tells us what font to use. So I'll try again. Okay, no. So now we'll just go through here and create a shell. So Okay, so now I have my shell. Okay, so now I also want to get, so I want Neofetch to run on startup. Because, so I can brag about that I use Loach, by the way. So, so in here I'll just put Neofetch in there. You can also put any aliases you want in here. I don't have any. So now it should work. So let me start it. Now we have this. So now I want to vim our .config awesome RCL Lua file again, and I want to get rid of these tile bars. So it's really easy to... Oh, I forgot to tell. So, when that happens, it's because we didn't tell nitrogen to run on startup. So, do awful.spawn with _shell. And then we're going to put in our nitrogen configuration. So it's going to do oh, I spelled it wrong, of course. So you get like a ton of errors when you spell something wrong or something stupid. So, okay, there. So now nitrogen also runs on startup. So that's pretty much it on how to set up awesome. So now you have this.